Hello everyone, welcome back to my another beginner friendly crochet tutorial. Today we're gonna make these lilies. For this project I am using 4-ply milk cotton yarn and a 3mm hook. So at first we will start with a magic ring. So you can see that this is a very easy way to do a magic ring. And to secure this magic ring we will have to do a chain. So now we will do 6 single crochets into this magic ring. So I want to say something like that this is my another voiceover video and I don't get enough time to make one of these. So if you guys really enjoy my voiceover videos, surely let me know in the comments, then I will try to make more. Now we have got our 6 single crochets into the magic ring. We will tighten the magic ring. So now as we have tightened the magic ring, we will do a slip stitch into the very first single crochet. Now we will chain 4. Now after chain 4 we will do a double crochet and a chain the next 5 single crochet hooks. So the pattern is do a double crochet and a chain, again do a double crochet and a chain, and we will follow this pattern only for 5 times. Now as we are done with our double crochets, so we will do a slip stitch into the second chain that we have done. Remember the 4 chains, we will do a slip stitch in the second chain. After the slip stitch we will do a chain and we will cut the yarn, as this is our bottom of the flower, so we'll need now a new color for the petals. So this is how the bottom of the lily looks like, and now we will take the new color for the petals. I'm using red. So we will do a slip knot first, and it's a very easy to do a slip knot as I shown in the video. We will attach the slip knot with the bottom of the flower. So you have to attach this slip knot with the double crochet hooks. After attaching the new yarn, we will chain 2 and we will do 5 unfinished double crochet into the gap we have created in the bottom. Now as you can see we have 6 loops on our hook. We will now yarn over and pull the yarn through the 6 loops, and this is how our first pattern is done, and we will follow this pattern for all the gaps we have created. And after finishing the last petal, we will do a slip stitch into the very first chain. Now the last step for this lily is to we have to do a single crochet, 2 double crochet and a single crochet all in one gap that has been created between the petals. And we have to follow this pattern for all the gaps. So lastly we will do a slip stitch and a chain. We will cut the yarn. And we will hide the remaining red color yarn through our hook, or you can use your crochet tip. And this is how you crochet a lily. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe and give a like and recommend my channel to your friends. Ta-ta!